are up 14.3% from last September to a median $400,000 as days on the market crept up to 38 days before a seller receives a contract. It's Friday, October 18th, 2024. I'm Kimberly Barton, broker owner of Kinetic Realty. This is the Maryland Eastern Shore Report. The list to sold ratio is actually up, while listings are up 15% from last September. Inventory rose slightly again this week to 1,838. 138 properties are due on the market soon. New contracts are up this week to 157 in 25 days. 116 homes sold in 28 days, falling to 97.2% list to sold ratio. Lease inventory rose again this week to 133 for a lease at $2,000 median per month. And that's a wrap for this week's Maryland Eastern Shore Report for Friday, October 18th, 2024. Thanks so much for tuning in. Enjoy your weekend. I'll see you next week. Take care.